Asta's house, which is like an hour away. So I gotta get gas first. But my usual gas station is closed, so I gotta find another one. For the rest of the day, I'm gonna be listening to royalty-free YouTube music. So I arrived at Asta's house and parked in front of her house, and the old lady came out of her house and said, "Who are you looking for?" And after a brief, awkward encounter, I realized that I forgot to type in Asta's address and had just gone to the address that shows up when you type in Antioch, the name of the city. The lady seemed kind of annoyed. I guess this happens to her a lot. Happy belated Christmas.
To actually make those super low sounds that have the super duper long wavelengths, because the higher pitched sounds have a shorter frequency, higher frequency, shorter wavelength. To make those giant wavelengths, you need a physically larger speaker. That's why you don't really ever get bass out of like shitty phone speakers or like even your built-in computer speakers. They just physically can't do it. That's why it sounds like tinny and canny and gross and stuff. But the subwoofer just has like that big ass massive speaker in there, and it just does all the low tones, and it's great, and I love having it, and I'm very excited. It's brand new.
So there actually is a speaker in there and like sound comes out of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's dope.
Why is it on the floor?
Because it's massive, and where the fuck else would it go?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've kicked it like 4 times.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Fucking hell.
Cool. Awesome, sweet.
It's alright, it's not a big deal.
Where did they go?
Just into my hand.
Okay.
They didn't fall anywhere.
Cool, awesome.
I caught them. Like a boss.
Maybe up there is not the best. You want to stick them in the cup holder, maybe?
Sure.
Okay. Normally I just put them in the case. It'd be cool to get to the top of that. But
That would be... Yeah, that would.
yeah. Yeah. I see a fence at the top.
Earlier today I got winded from taking the trash out.
Nice, nice.
My mom was like, "Matt, what's wrong? Are you okay?" And I was like, I had to say it out loud. "Yeah, no mom, I'm okay. I just got winded from taking the trash out." I had to admit it. Oh, it's definitely a creature. Shit, the camera can't reach far enough. I'll try my phone. I actually ran over a creature like that the other day.
No, that's so unfortunate. What? Do you want me to hold that for one?
Yeah.
Get you in the shot?
Yeah. You can hold either.
Oh boy. Right. Movie recording has been stopped automatically.
It's the red.
Ah.
That, yeah. Did you get it going?
Yeah, we're recording.
Hey, it's got the red circle?
It do indeed, yeah.
Hey. Sweet.
What is it? It's on autofocus, yeah. It's done.
Oh no. We're gonna have to climb over this fence.
You wanna go first? Oh. Having fun?
Yeah!
Woo! Oh.
We just climbed Cow Crap Mountain.
Wow. Cat Crap Mountain.
Homie.
Looks like the trail goes that way, right?
Yeah.
We could cut across.
Just keep going this way.
Yeah, through this weird,
Woo!
bumpy grass.
You know, I'll just say one thing. I'm glad that it's too cold for rattlesnakes.
I didn't know that. I didn't know there's a temperature for rattlesnakes?
Yeah, they don't like to be chilly. They're cold-blooded, you know?
That's true. They do. I do know about cold-bloodedness.
Yeah.
That's great. So in cold weather, like wintertime, you don't have to worry about them then.
Yeah. Unless you like accidentally step on one.
Why am I even wearing shoes then?
Take them off. Fuck it.
Are you, so you're serious about no rattlesnakes?
I mean, they're probably in holes.
But they're not going to come out? Are you kidding?
I am. I'm not kidding. It's December, dude.
All right, I believe you. You got the credentials for it. I'll go shoeless for a little while.
Shit. All right.
It's nice. Getting my toes in the grass. Yeah.
You having fun with that?
Yeah, I'm having fun with it.
Yeah. All right.
I will not be joining you in the shoelessness. Oh, look, a piece of poop. Love that.
Well, yeah, of course there's gonna be poop on the ground.
If you step in some, please let me know.
That comes with the territory.
Hey Matt, did I ever tell you about the time I stepped in human shit?
What, recently?
It was like a year and a half ago at camp.
That's horrible.
Yeah.
You were part of a prank, right?
Yeah, so for all you YouTubers out there, there's this summer camp. Oh, Matt, there we go. You had a piece of grass in your toes. I don't know if that was intentional. But so we were, I was working at a summer camp, and we were going on an overnight hike sort of a thing where we talk about the stars. And we went up to this big rock just outside of camp. And when we got there, we found, well, one of the staff members pulled out his flashlight because we smelled something. And, well, it turns out, a bit ago, before we had noticed what it was, he had sat down in it. Also, I'd stepped in it. But the more important part of the story is that someone else sat in human shit. And then we got rid of it before the youths could see it. But I think it's important that he sat in human shit. End of story.
Makes a good story, though. Was there a fire here?
I think so. Sure fucking looks like it.
Wouldn't you have known if, like, the fire had reached the park next to your house?
Well, there were a lot of fires going on, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't...
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
They were, like, left and right.
Yeah.
We made it.
Bones of the story.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn, it's all lights.
Also, I forgot to bring the tripod, if that was what you were counting on.
No, I could use my shoe.
Okay.
Why do you think I took them off?
For clout?
For tripod usage.
Woo! Woo! Top of the world. In Contra, Loma, Antioch, California.
Top of the world, period.
Yeah.
Except for those hills that are taller.
Yeah, man.